Hello, it's Nicole from the Tempe Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful newspaper beard. Now, if you're like me, a lot of men of your acquaintance, fathers, brothers, friends, have been growing beards during this time. I can't physically grow a beard, so I decided to make one instead. To make this beard, you're going to need paper. I'm using newspaper. If you have like wrapping paper or printer paper, something that you can cut small and roll up, keep its shape, that will work. And then rubber bands or else string, so you can attach the beard to your ears or tie it behind your back. Glue to attach the newspaper and to keep them rolled up. And a base. So if you have like cardstock or thinner cardboard, that would work. I'm using a file folder here. To trace out this shape, you just grab the paper and just kind of hold it to your face. Figure out, at what point you want it to end, and then kind of trace out your circle, cut it out. You also want to hold it up to your face and then sort of figure out where you want to cut out for a nose section so it's not completely straight edge. So I say about here to here, and then I'll cut that out. So all right, so this is about the shape you're looking for. You may want to make it longer if you want a really long, big beard. And then you're gonna cut out your strips of paper. So, like I said, I use newspaper, and my strips are about 1/2 inch by 2 inches. And that's all of them. And just cut out a bunch. Once you've got them all cut out, you're gonna grab a pencil or a pen and use it to roll up your strips. Now you don't have to use this, but I like to use the pencil as a sort of guide so I know what shape I'm going for. Once it's rolled up, grab some glue. I'm just gonna use a glue stick here. And then glue your little loop. So that way it just keeps its shape. If you want to have them tighter or looser, you can obviously do that. You can also, I left some a little looser, you can see, to try and give my beard more texture, make it more sort of visually appealing. Now once you've gone through and done several of these, you can start gluing them down on the beard. So for this part, I actually prefer to use a liquid glue. It holds better, and it's easier to just dab a dot on there when you actually have like a bunch of little hair curls. And then you just continue on. Now, before you get too close to the top, you're gonna want to hole punch out or use your scissors to stab out, say about 1/2 inch or so from the edge, so you don't have to worry about your string or your rubber band tearing through. And then, like I said, I used rubber bands, so I just grabbed one end, stuck it through like that so it can rest on your ears. If you have elastics left over from mask making, that would work great too. All right, so you can sort of see the beginning and then your end product eventually. You can walk around, look super cool, make your dad jealous of your great beard. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys all later.